Good afternoon, class. My name is Stephen, and what I will be speaking to you about is a specific topic, and that is about how the internet has changed the minds of my generation. Um, as far as the internet, many people, specifically as far as relationships, they seek the internet as to validation as to how they treat their relationships instead of actually genuinely caring for the other person. Um, Many people go on social media and see how other people treat other relationships and figure that's how their relationship should be when it shouldn't be like that. Also, many people go to the internet to seek validation of others as far as how they should live their daily lives instead of living their life how they live their life. The internet has manipulated our minds to think that the internet is the answer to everything or is the key to everything when it's not. We, the people, are the key to our own lives, whether it's relationships or whether it's how we just carry ourselves each and every day. So hopefully my PowerPoint helps y'all get an understanding as to how significant that our lives are, and we have more to offer than just the internet. We have more to learn from than just the internet. Thank you.